Delicious homemade Arabian Moutabal with orange juice, Iftar and Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering Arabian Moutabal with a unique twist of orange juice, perfect for your iftar during the blessed month of Ramadan. This recipe is not only delectable but also budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive into the kitchen and create some culinary magic. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try this delightful Moutabal recipe. Now, let's go through the ingredients you'll need. 2 large eggplants. Half cup tahini paste. 1/4 cup fresh orange juice. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Salt, to taste. Olive oil, for drizzling. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Pomegranate seeds, optional, for garnish. Preparation. The preparation for this Moutabal is quite simple. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Preparing eggplants. Wash and pierce the eggplants with a fork. This allows the heat to penetrate and gives them that wonderful smoky flavor. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and roast them in the preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the skin is charred and the flesh is soft. Peeling eggplants. Once the eggplants are roasted, let them cool for a few minutes. Then, peel off the skin and place the flesh in a bowl. Blending mixture. Add the tahini paste, minced garlic, fresh orange juice, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt to the bowl with the eggplant. Now, blend everything together until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Adjusting seasoning. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. If you want it more tangy, add a bit more lemon juice, and if you prefer it creamier, adjust the tahini. Serving. Transfer the Moutabal to a serving dish, create a well in the center, and drizzle olive oil over the top. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and, if you want to add a burst of color and sweetness, sprinkle some pomegranate seeds on top. Presentation. Look at this gorgeous Moutabal. It's not only visually appealing but also bursting with flavors that will surely impress your family and friends during iftar. Thank you so much for joining us today on Multi-Recipes and Cookeries. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this homemade Arabian Moutabal with a twist of orange juice. It's a perfect addition to your Ramadan iftar table, and the best part is, it's super affordable and easy for beginners. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using our hashtag Ramadan Moutabal. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other Ramadan specials and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.